Welcome back to my channel, At Home with Carla. Everybody needs a little treat every once in a while, right? So today is the day I'm having my Fat Boy ice cream bar, and it's so good. Anyway, not too much going on here in Wisconsin. The sun's shining out, but it's still a little bit chilly, so I thought I'm just gonna clean indoors today and get some stuff done and clean the house. Of course, have ice cream. And this is a little basket I put together for the truck to keep in there. Little Windex in my Meyer bottle because it's smaller, paper towels, and then I have these little plastic things in this pouch here in case the dogs go doo-doo on the sidewalk. And I tried out my Damascus knife today. It did just fine. It chopped up the chicken and grapes great, just like butter. And this knife my cousin made for me, it was turned, I guess, 400 and some times, so it's pretty tough. But it did great, and my husband accidentally bought grapes with seeds in them, but that's okay. Um, I chopped up the grapes and made myself a salad and took a small break. But I do like the knife. This works good. And my salad was great. I've been pretty busy with the puppies, so I haven't had much time to clean out the aquarium, and the line has gone down there. So I am going to do that today. Today is Sunday. Clean, dirty. Done with the hose. Try out the buckets. Furnace was way up, so I turned it back down. But anyway, I'm going to make myself a salad. I'm going to take a break from cleaning the aquarium. It's already pre-washed. And I'm going to put avocado, grapes, and bacon in there today with a little salad dressing. And then go take a little break. Well, it took me about 70 minutes from start to finish to clean that aquarium out. But I'm really glad it's all done. My bucket's back. I think I only used 3 out of them, but it's nice to have an extra one that you may need. And I'm gonna go enjoy a salad. Somebody likes ice cream besides me. Pretty good, all right. Oops. Oh wait. Don't eat that. All done. Well, next I headed outside to the front yard and I noticed some garbage just kind of blew underneath their steps. So I picked away at it and I got some done, but I think I have to wait till the snow melts a little bit more before I can get some of the spots in the yard done. But it was a nice day to be out anyway. kind of warm, not too warm, but kind of. But I noticed there's some green grass growing. Yippee! 3 containers to get pulled back or walked back, but I'm gonna have our son do that. He said he'd help, so I'm gonna take him up on that. A little path back there, around to the house, back to the fire pit. I could say, oh my gosh, those birds are messy. I'm not going to feed them next year, but you know, their life outside the window in the wintertime and they bring joy. So we just keep feeding them and they keep coming around and eating. I'll end here for today, but thanks for watching. I decided to take a nap and take it easy for a while. So have a good day, and here's the quote of the day.